Negasngi ka all jaintia Mr. Roll Workers and Labor Union chirup wa ka Union Cook com helper PM Poshan Meghalaya dapan man ko ya ka 8 annual general meeting wa ipengkup buram ya o menteri rang ba ka jela u Conrad ke sang mahakam u kongsan hey lang usumbut menteri rang ba usnya bahalang dhar hak yelang wa dapan man hamadan kawang mulong. UKL period uwaman uwa ibu yakini kiseny hawa iye kelam doong. Ne idap prasnem wasdang ya ke Mr. Roll and Labor Union. Day waong wahakini kipor da hapo iya hakhmat u Conrad sang mahakam u menteri rang ba kecela. Doong uwa cibun ki kon yong ki wakre uwa hapo keseny ki wacem citom ulai pure ki caprang nadooh ki wadadab HSSLC wa kiwi. Dekentu le wo baha cipau persen na ke reservation ne baha itung kre wa ilai pure ki kon ki waduna he yo ila kamtam ki waki mela kam jo le dekentu ya menteri rang ba wo yada ya ki ki wa awa harilum jaintia kam kementedu mengot mentang wa ke kupli usnya bahalang dhar doong wa arajar khat pra hawa chong yalang ki menteri sorkar doong wa menteri rang ba march dang darai wo yo tulop ki wa kre Mr. Roll man ubenai Cucuk depan sengau ya ki kampen baik put wadarai u Conrad walai ceprang. Winin u delang waki MLA kerilum jaintia dahir ki cekanduli wopen baik ye kam kapun. U Conrad hawa ye kelam de iku blau ya keseng wada kenjok ke prasnem katu. Wada ong u klem kenjok ketin na keseng. Tang wadulang ba kapun de pediang wawan cimbenta hagani ke yalang. Cucuk da ong wan nin usnem de kut yo tang wam wanu neida wadaw ong gibru wawanu du ne benta ke election. Dekan mo wau arajar kat pra empoi perkat uwo manu kamu menteri rang ba wo iwan nengkong do pen perkat iyo ini to imon ublai u Conrad da ong wa hakisan snem madalai de mi ki tenjuk wa harukam we kamtam uput wadang saateng lasan paus nem wo pen bait hadu kat ni cucu u Conrad da ong wa arajar ar poli i job election penyu i chenia ki paj ba ya ka sorkar MDA Dekularu le wa wanra wa pendap ye wa kam wa kimat dawa kini kiseng kat wa jo ibor yong o de wa ong le wa hau arajar kat pra de cibun isa akut su ye ketulop ki wa kre Mr. Roll we maria yo chna sorkar de cimkhia baha wa penbat ye ini wara we mto i wasuk ni baha ini to ikam wa de klem penbat de bon snem tang wa de we ye ubudin we de wa ye kre lang suki de ye wa penpli berhenti ye rukam sutulop he por wa biang kam ter sngau kumeno wo yo wa de mi so ini ikre citom we de yo tulop testa ki Mr. Roll de wa penram wa waro ini to i wa dawan om du hapo chising arsingi we mto i wa de le du yo avun tang wa yo chakri ya ki pajba yo pendu penwiar ye ikor wa de mat ki de ki snem na chwa ne bha upen bai ye ki kam wa de lasan pausnem klem wa taba mto i wasung tang wa kat te de wa kerchan ki pajba utur chakmat yo job ye waro i wa hakman Hagani ke yalang da pengkup buram le ya uwi na ki kon ki wakre Mr. Roll uwa de yo ya ke top 20 haka SSLC uni usnem. Ya ke yalang hagani ke sengi da pelai da perbon en suciang uwa manu General Secretary ka AJMW and LUCEC. Da penpu penpen cucu ya kani ke sengi da irwai waichan.
Dapat di sosial media, dapat di kau kubur kau man ke sini. Kepersepsian di guru kamtam makasih jadi tiada ini. Kendi go menom le won le jam jo yo bi kita hani ga ong ye bi ken mo de miet ne ham jo pai mo de le kam sorkar jo rak men le bon cha khir bi kam economic state ke pai ngamin ne ma khanduli have to border issue man si gon guru pai ba du yero yum to yero bi handai bujuan ke sorkar ko dokia ochin Condition was strong. Kadu kata go chimrai open by border issue. And I don't think by back to kalam you ni sorkar. Le won le. Now we perchang fight both side of the coin. Untor usle go fight. Kendi government hagi tinggal musar connect case ma. Wonot uchim the strong decision wa la katro man le. Ka border issue open by ya. However kam mun myoi. And I am katu kani koalition patanar go man nu le to orang election ni. Saya told them before election, it was your decision. By any means, we have to stop the border issue. And some of our partners said, no sir, don't do it now. Otherwise, we will lose election. But your decision said no. I didn't want to see that my people are crying in the border village every day. That is solution, sir. Sorkar every day haji alam usar corner case alma. Come tam to office ko ito bipai ba man kasi doon di ke block development office. Ngakan mo ay para man menawa japra. Gon ki block office ko lai untuk mo chileng di tinwo yong stel di tinwo le. Ogo upai mo yo. Hakapor ke usar corner kau chip ni sarungi. Dangdep sanction file so how rudely ki new building office nang pai ba yo sekolah office man ti achu block. Item jam kelam itu orang. Hanya lepai ke sosial media atau man ke government umle ke mana. Hagi ni sans nam. Hagi ngalam usah kerja sama. Ngam orang ini pai ba kau khana ni tete hui chen di kami. Dan dua ka road sector. Dan dua ka surat. Urjo le kongres apa sudah mensuar. Dan tamu kre sans nam ni sans mendalai. Tenem je dah untuk MVP kai go, mereka tindisit, sakar pun dusit. Pai barat tadi, hari MD area, MD region, lumiu itu orang. Pai kau man, iman ke state ko kem hari India ini, hari lambak je lamong ni leader ni. Kemekalia man go one of the best state implement hari tu orang kor bang di kamro president ini. Sekarang semua pan pemenang bekerja lu bisi ekor orang mengapari ni. Hari itu kamu maintain, kamu sumari river siwa. Pasti bisi ngama ngadat impose ke 144 wam cha ulek pulmal project lagi kumbang undi ni. Yes, that's right. Hari bosen chambi. Hari one di sektor ketawa government leka. Menjauh muyu. Hari bosen tak yo mulai. Ngawa we please somehow fight, somehow you, somehow ye corporate, somehow ye chok tilang ni ba mem sorkar we le boro je kamu kuat kai ba ale MHI you account leaders ko persang api wan mon ji o pai ba ha ba mi le 100% hande persang le kat wo yi kenuksa ko wi ki kon kena ko kon samla boro ki bai pa kau paus nam dong di Lebas nem bro ges nem gutak kere. Duna pelakau. Kau semua apa pernah? Kan wordling sorkar gowon bukan kus kak bete. Kau sorkar kau sama jangan sertifikat itu. Ikon ikti ikro yogi. Ye gutak kere do lebanya usnem.
I have been connected with your problem for the last decade. I know the kind of suffering and problem you've been facing for many years. Even when I was not chief minister. And hence when I got the opportunity to be the chief minister, rightly as said by Masnyo Balangdhar, in the second cabinet meeting, I asked the chief secretary and the finance and other officials, why can't we give the master roles their salary on time? If all of you, if all of us are receiving our salary on the 1st, why give a different treatment to the master roles? As usual, long list of reasons and problems came out. This is the problem, that is the problem, this advance, that advance. Long issue. I simply told finance department, release the money in advance. Give 3 months advance to all the concerned departments so that whatever problem they have, they will figure out. But the money should not be an issue. In advance, you release 3 months advance so that we are able to release the salaries on time. It took some time because many departments, many master roles, different departments have different systems. But I'm happy that slowly and steadily that we are seeing that we are able to now streamline and ensure that majority of the master roles today are getting their salaries on time. We are ensuring also that regularly the minimum wage is also being reviewed so that your salaries also are adjusted with inflation. take care of the expenditures that you have. We are doing our best with the mindset that every single person in the state is important for us. We don't differentiate between the chief minister or the master role who's working or the chief secretary and the women's self-help groups who are there. Our job is to ensure that we treat all of you and all of us the same. Without thinking about vote bank politics. I must try my best to ensure that I am able to resolve as many issues as possible, not keeping in mind the consequences it might have for the elections of a vote bank. And hence, a very long journey of 5 years started. You all know how difficult the last 5 years were. We were tested every month, every 6 months, every year. Something or the other kept happening. Different law and order situations were there. Different issues came out. People's expectation that problems that were not solved for the last 50 years, this government must solve. But we didn't shy away. It was that thought in my mind for the first week which came in, that there is a purpose for which we are here. That drove us, gave us the motivation to continue working and not think about vote bank politics. I remember telling our cabinet colleagues, for us, every single citizen of our state is important. From the cabinet ministers to the MLAs, from the chief secretary to IAS officers, from NCS officers to engineers, from the women to the farmers to the youth, every single citizen is equal for us. Nobody is bigger or smaller. And hence, every decision we take, the decision must be guided by whether it is good for the people or not.
Active.